Hi friends, this video shows how to create and use a dual app. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Here you can see I have one WhatsApp installed. So I am going to clone this WhatsApp and create one more. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, tap on advanced features, tap here. Go down, tap on dual messenger. So here you can see available apps. In this available apps, you can see WhatsApp. If you are not able to see WhatsApp here, then you have to install WhatsApp from Google Play Store. After that, you would be able to see WhatsApp in this list. Tap here. See, install a second copy of WhatsApp. Tap on install. Done. Second copy of WhatsApp installed. Let me verify. Close this. So now we can see two WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp which I installed from Google Play Store. This is the WhatsApp which I cloned. So this way we can clone an app. Later, if you want to uninstall this cloned app, you can again go to settings. Then go down, go to advanced features, go to dual messenger, tap here and disable. Just tap here and uninstall second copy of WhatsApp. Done. So this way we can create and use dual app. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.